How to log into your MBNA credit card online account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be learning about accessing your MBNA credit card online, so follow the simple steps. First of all, you have to launch your preferred web browser on your computer or your mobile device, and in the search bar, type in mbna.co.uk and hit enter. This will take you to the official website and click on the login button at the top right of the page. And after you do that, you will be directed to another page of login. And here on this page, you have to enter the correct form of your username first, followed by your password. And if you'd like the system, device, or the browser to remember your credentials, you can check on this box over here of remember my username. And here you can also see the warning of do not tick this box if you're using a public or shared computer. So in the case if you have forgotten your login details, you can simply click on this link over here in order to reset or retrieve your password. After you have entered all of your credentials correctly, you can simply click on this continue button in the right corner. And from this page, you can also learn on how to set out the app by going to the link over here. So this is how you can log into your MBNA credit card online account. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.